This is just a short introductory video to show how to use the Bushfire.ai mobile application. To start with, you will just enter your username and password at the user login and press the submit button. The main screen consists of two components, the satellite component and the panoramic component. The satellite component allows you to choose which camera you want to view. You do that by simply clicking on the little teardrop, and that shows you the view from that particular camera. Once you've selected the camera, you can move the panoramic view simply by dragging the little blue hold icon around, and that will then move the panoramic view at the top. The satellite view also shows you this blue area here, which is the area that is directly covered by this particular camera. Over here you can see the different fire messages that have come up. So this is from Bushfire.ai, and it shows you the particular address where a fire has been recorded. On the panoramic view, you can also go to full screen by clicking here. Once you're in full screen, again, you can use the little compass here to show you any particular area that you might be interested in. In addition, the panoramic view also shows you the distance and bearing on the screen when you put your finger on the screen. So you can see the distance here and the bearings. That helps you in determining where the fire could be. In addition, you've got this icon here which will take you to the streaming video view. So if I just click that, it will now take me to the streaming video view. The red icon shows the direction, and this is the amount that you're looking at here. Of course, you can also expand the streaming view if you like, and you can also zoom in to see a closer part of the view if you click this icon here. An important point here is that the AI system is constantly monitoring the view. So here you can see it's analyzing frame 5 of 24. There's 24 different frames around here. And it does that throughout the day and night, looking for fires. If it does see a fire, the first thing it will do is to send an SMS to the users saying there's a fire. It will also move the panoramic view directly to where the fire is located, and it will give you the streaming view on your mobile. So given that you receive a message from Bushfire.io, it will already be set up to look at the fire that it has detected. The other point is here we have the menu, which allows you to view the detections. Okay, so anything that is detected you can look at over here. You can also see, you can choose which cameras you're interested in. Okay, and it will filter those for you. Over here also are other information, for example, configuration, FAQ, help screens, and so on. And that's really a very quick overview of the mobile application of Bushfire.ai.